Trading day, yeah, it's a new trading day. The date is July 29th, 2026. We're gonna go over the one trade I made today. Today I made $685. Okay. This is a really bad day. This is a really bad day. I This is like the definition of how like not to trade. I I was in my head a little bit. Not really though, but I was forcing a trade, which is not what you want to do, right? Um, you could see the trade that I actually marked out, which is the trade that I was, which is the trade that I did, but I obviously participated in this trade super late. So at the end of the day, what you guys need to realize is when you see a actual setup and you back test enough and you realize that you know how to trade, you know how to read the market, you need to start actually taking trades. Unlike me, I saw this trade happen. I was gonna enter here. I decided not to, and then I decided to enter late. And I entered way late. That's just what happens, or that's what happened today. Like I said, you should not be doing that. If you're confident in your trading, you should be taking the trades once you see them. I would have made so much more. How much would I would have made? Oh shoot, I would have made 1,400 um, on two accounts instead of 680 on across two accounts. You know what I mean? But yeah, coming into market, what did I see? I was thinking, what was I thinking today? Because it was looking kind of ugly. I'm not gonna lie. Why am I so dark, bro? Like this light, I have a light and it's mad bright. Can't even see it. Look, mad bright. Probably shouldn't have done that, but yeah. Coming into the market, what was I thinking? We still had these untapped highs here. Two untapped 4 hours. We had a 15-minute above, and we had a 15-minute below. So what did I want to see? I wanted to see honestly price open high and create a beautiful inverse off this 15 all the way down to this 15. That's what I wanted to see. We got it, but I just zoomed out a little bit. Let me go back. There we go. We got it, but it it's funny the way it happened was super interesting. Price opened, um, like literally tapped the 15 and then just went down again. Um, Obviously went back up. I don't know if this was bouncing off of anything. I didn't get to really see. I don't know if this is bouncing off of anything. I don't think it was. I think no, it was bouncing off of three. Yep, it was bouncing off of this 3 minute right here. Then it came all the way up to come back to the 15, and I was like, okay, cool. Like this is whatever. Came back to the 15. I've been trying to implicate CISDs into my trading, so I marked this out. I don't know if I don't think this is a CISD, but I did mark this out. I think this one is, but I could be completely wrong, so I don't know. But it came up. I mean, bro, it came up, formed a inverse, 30-second inverse. Was it a 1 minute? There was a 1 minute, but I took the 30-second. Formed a 30-second inverse to the downside. Like I said, I saw the trade. I decided to jump into it way late after price came up, had rejection off of this um, 30-second here. Didn't inverse it to the upside. Had rejection, so I went in so late um, to my TP. It's whatever. I'm glad I won, but I need to start, like I said, going with my gut. I've been saying this since the beginning of my trading, which is insane. But yeah, I need to start sticking with my gut. Should have went into this trade the second I saw it. And but yeah, that's really it. There's also another trade. I saw this trade. This trade actually didn't look bad here. Um, Price started accumulating right after I got out, and it formed. Not it did not formed. It came up and tapped this 15-minute one more time, and then it inverse to the downside. Now, like this doesn't look like the cleanest inverse, but um, if you've been trading for a little bit, you kind of just can see stuff like this and just know if it's gonna work or not. And inversed, like if you would have wrote this out, this would have been a crazy trade. Let's see how much this would have been. We could just do this all the way down here. Yeah, three bands. That's big. That's big. Um, yeah, I didn't take that obviously. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm trying to get back in the groove of things. Um, but yeah, that's pretty much it for the day. Not much more else to talk about. If you guys have any advice, please leave it in the comment section below. Please, please, gosh, bro, please. Like I'm looking crazy right now. Like this is not how to trade. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. Everybody be safe. And yeah. All right, peace.